Welcome, student. Today's our topic is in the red level, that is red 10, that is 1 plus 0. So red 1 plus 0, which is also called the red 10. This uses a combination of disk mirroring and disk stripping. Okay, the both, that is red 1 and red 0. So it is combination of both techniques. So the data is normally mirrored first and then stripped. So mirroring stripped set accomplishes the same task, but is the less tolerant than the stripping mirror set. Okay, so in this the data is normally mirrored first, that is 1. Okay, and then 0, that is the stripped. Okay, so mirroring strip set, okay, is accomplishing same, but it's a less fault tolerant than the if we are doing the stripping then mirror set, then there is a fault tolerance is more. So we are using 1 plus 0. Now if you lose a drive on a strip set, so all access to data must be from the other strip set, because the strip sets have no parity, and RAID 1 plus 0 requires a minimum of 4 physical disks. So it is possible to combine the advantages, also the disadvantages of RAID 0 and RAID 1 in a single or on a single system. So this is a nested, or we can say the hybrid RAID configuration, and it provides the security by mirroring all the data on the secondary drive while using the stripping across the each set of the drives, the speed of data transfer. So this is about the RAID 10. Okay, now advantages and disadvantages of RAID 10. So advantages: if something goes wrong with one of the disks, that is in a RAID 10 configuration, so the rebuild time is very fast, since all that is needed is copying all the data from one surviving mirror to new drive. So this can take at least or a very little up to the around it may be approx 30 minutes for one drive of 1 TB. So that is, so if the drive fails, we still have to access the all of the data, and it is more secure. Another is the disadvantages of RAID 10. So disadvantages is half of the storage capacity goes to the mirroring. So compared to the large RAID 5 or RAID 6 array, this is a expensive way to have the redundancy, because the effective capacity is only half of the total capacity. That's why this is the major disadvantages of this hybrid, that is 10. Okay, uh, this is all about 110. Okay, 10. Now thanks to all of you. Thank you.